In this video, we'll show you how to use the Contact Form 7 Styler widget on your WordPress website using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what the Contact Form 7 Styler widget looks like. The Contact Form Styler widget allows you to style your Contact Form 7 with multiple options to make it look attractive. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Elementor add-ons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down, and look for the responsive Elementor add-ons. Now, look for the RE Contact Form 7 Styler widget. You can also type RE Contact Form 7 Styler in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this widget. Under Edit RE Contact Form 7 Styler, you will see 3 tabs. Under Content, in the General Settings tab, you can select the form that you want to style. This widget provides options for selecting either box type fields or underline type input fields. It also provides options to choose border color, width, and style. There is also an option to set the background color for the form fields. In the Radio and Checkbox tab, there is an option to override default radio and checkbox styling. It also provides options to change the size of the input and set the background color for both selected and deselected input checkbox or radio buttons. You can also change the border color, width, and style. In the Submit button tab, you can align the Submit button of the form. You can also select the size of the button, set the background color, and text color for the button. There is an option for setting border color as well. In the Success or Error Messages tab, there is an option to set the message color, background color, typography, and border color for the field validation and success or error messages of the form. Now, let's move on to the style settings. In the Spacing tab, you can set the spacing between form fields and the title and description fields. Under the Typography tab, you can change the typography of the form fields, button, form title, and description. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block, and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to the Contact Form 7 Styler widget, set the background color, and customize the borders of the widget. You may also choose a mask for your Contact Form 7, and adjust its positioning. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update. And there you go. You have a customized Contact Form 7 on your WordPress website using REA. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons and WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.